Good morning. In the previous class, we had discussed accounting treatment of various items at the time of admission of a partner. Right? Now let's continue from there. Next heading likho. Calculate capital of new partner on the basis of capitals of old partners. First step, कैलकुलेट टोटल एडजस्टेड कैपिटल ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. कई बार क्वेश्चन में दिया होता है न्यू पार्टनर कैपिटल लाएगा ओल्ड पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल के बेसिस पे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट टोटल एडजस्टेड कैपिटल ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. सेकेंड, टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द न्यू फर्म equals total adjusted capital of old partners into reciprocal of combined new share of old partners. ठीक है. सपोज ए और बी ओल्ड पार्टनर्स हैं, सी न्यू पार्टनर है. ए और बी की एडजस्टेड कैपिटल्स आफ्टर ऑल एडजस्टमेंट इज कमिंग 2 लाख एंड 3 लाख, तो टोटल हो गया 5 लाख. सपोज न्यू रेशियो इज 1:2:3, तो मतलब 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. ए का 1/6, बी का 2/6, दोनों का मिला के 3/6. उसका रेसिप्रोकल 6/3. तो दोनों की कैपिटल मिलाकर है 5 लाख. कितने शेयर के लिए? 3/6 के शेयर के लिए कंबाइंड. तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल कर लेंगे 6/3, मतलब डबल. तो फर्म की टोटल कैपिटल आ गई 10 लाख रुपीज. थर्ड स्टेप, कैपिटल टू बी ब्रॉट बाय न्यू पार्टनर इक्वल्स टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ न्यू फर्म इनटू प्रॉफिट शेयर ऑफ न्यू पार्टनर. अभी जो हमने एग्जांपल लिया, सी इज द न्यू पार्टनर कमिंग इन फॉर 3/6 शेयर और हाफ शेयर. तो 10 लाख फर्म की कैपिटल है, तो उसका हाफ 5 लाख सी हैज टू ब्रिंग. क्लियर? नाउ राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. इलस्ट्रेशन 4. Tanmay and Harsh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 was, capitals are given, investment fluctuation reserve and general reserve is given. Asset side, plant and machinery, debtors, provision for doubtful debts, investments, cash in hand, cash at bank are given. Nishant is admitted and it is decided to share profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. New ratio is 5:3:2 from 1st April 2020. And first adjustment to reduce plant and machinery. Plant and machinery के आगे लिख लो 1. Debtors are all good. That means provision is no longer required. तो provision या debtors के आगे लिख लो 2. To bring investments. इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी दी हुई हैं और इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व भी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. टू ब्रिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स टू देयर मार्केट वैल्यू विच इज 20% मोर. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के आगे लिख लो 3 और इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व के आगे भी. फोर्थ इज टू वैल्यू फर्म्स गुडविल. इससे रिलेटेड बैलेंस शीट में कुछ नहीं है. टू एडजस्ट द कैपिटल्स, ये लास्ट में होगा. निशांत इज टू ब्रिंग प्रोपोर्शनेट कैपिटल. अब निशांत कितनी कैपिटल ला रहा है, दिया नहीं हुआ. हैज टू ब्रिंग प्रोपोर्शनेट कैपिटल. तो अभी जो हमने डिस्कस किया था वो स्टेप्स फॉलो करके हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे निशांत ने कितनी कैपिटल लानी है. ठीक है. पहले हम गेन या सैक्रिफाइस निकाल लेते हैं. Tanmay, new share is 5/10. Old was 3/5. So Tanmay is sacrificing 1/10 share. In case of Harsh, the new share is 3/10. Old was 2/5. So sacrifice of 1/10 again. Nishant's is a new partner coming in with a share of 2/10. So his gain is 2/10. Now let us place various items given in the balance sheet. Capitals will come in capital account, credit side. So date 1/4/20, by balance brought down. Tanmay 7 lakh, Harsh 8 lakh. Then investment fluctuation reserve is given at 50,000. The adjustment related to it is to bring investments to their market value, which is 20% more. Book value is 80,000. 80,000 का 20% हुआ 16,000. So investments की value 16,000 बढ़ गई है. लेकिन इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व कब यूज होता है? जब वैल्यू कम हो रही हो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की. कम नहीं हो रही, दैट मीन्स द रिजर्व विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द ओल्ड पार्टनर्स इन ओल्ड रेशियो with full amount, that is 50,000. Old ratio is 3:2. So by investment fluctuation reserve account, 30,000 and 20,000. General reserve 20,000 will again be distributed among the old partners in old ratio. So by general reserve account, 12,000 and 8,000. Now coming to the asset side, plant and machinery 12 lakh. Adjustment says reduce plant and machinery to 90% of current book value. Reduce to 90% is same as saying reduce by 10%. So in assets, we will write plant and machinery 12 lakh minus 1,20,000 in brackets. The amount is 10,80,000. And this value that we have reduced will come in revaluation account on debit side. To plant and machinery account 1,20,000. Then debtors 40,000. Adjustment says debtors are all good. That means provision is no longer required. So debtors will appear at their full value in amount column 40,000. And the provision that is being written off will come in revaluation account credit side. By provision for doubtful debts account 4,000. Next is investments, 20% more value. That means 80,000 plus 16,000. So now the new value is 96,000. And this increase in value 16,000 will come in revaluation account credit side. By investments account 16,000. Then cash in hand 50,000 asset side. बैंक अकाउंट वी आर मेकिंग. बैंक अकाउंट का फॉर्मेट भी आपने बनाया होगा. अराउंड नहीं बनाया तो भी बना लो. अराउंड 5 लाइंस का. ठीक है. और इसमें बैंक का ओपनिंग बैलेंस आ जाएगा 2,04,000. टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन on 1st April 2020, amount column 2,04,000. Now coming to the adjustments. First one we have done, second we have done, investments also we have done. Fourth, to value firm's goodwill at 5 lakh. Nishant is to bring appropriate goodwill premium. Goodwill firm का अगर 5 lakh है तो निशांत ने उसका कितना 2/10 लाना है. 1/10 of 5 lakh will be 50,000. So 2/10 will be 1 lakh. And that 1 lakh will get distributed among Tanmay and Harsh in 1:1 ratio. That means 50,000, 50,000. So first entry will be bank account debit to premium for goodwill account. तो बैंक अकाउंट में आ जाएगा टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट 1 लाख. And when this will be distributed among the capitals, partners capitals, in capital account credit side, by premium for goodwill account, 50,000 in Tanmay's column and 50,000 in Harsh's column, because their sacrifice is 1/10, 1/10. Now, first of all, we will close the revaluation account. Debit total is 1,20,000. On credit side, we have 20,000. So difference 1 lakh will be transferred to partners capital. We will write by partners capitals. Tanmay 60,000, Harsh 40,000. Old ratio, that is 3:2. This loss on revaluation will then be transferred in capitals on debit side. 1,420. To revaluation account, Tanmay 60,000, Harsh 40,000. Now, fifth adjustment, to adjust capitals in new profit sharing ratio on the basis of adjusted capitals of Tanmay and Harsh. And sixth is Nishant is to bring proportionate capital. So let us do the calculations for this in working notes. Adjusted capital. Now, if we see in Tanmay's column, 7 lakh plus 30,000 plus 12,000 plus 50,000, and on debit side 60,000. So minus 60,000. Adjusted capital of Tanmay is rupees 7,32,000. Similarly, in case of Harsh, 8 lakh plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 50,000 minus 40,000. So adjusted capital of Harsh is 8,38,000. Their combined adjusted capital is rupees 15,70,000. So total capital of the new firm will be 15,70,000 into reciprocal of their combined share. Their combined share is 5/10 plus 3/10, that is 8/10. Reciprocal will be 10/8. So 15,70,000 into 10/8, that is rupees 19,62,500 is the total capital of the new firm. Now dividing this total capital in new profit sharing ratio of 5:3:2, we get 9,81,250, 5,88,750 and rupees 3,92,500. These amounts we will write in the capital account on debit side to balance carried down. 9,81,250, 5,88,750 and 3,92,500. Now we will find out the balancing figure in each partner's capital. In Tanmay's case, adjusted capital was 7,32,000. But as per the new profit sharing ratio, his capital should be 9,81,250. That means he has to bring in rupees 2,49,250 more. So by bank account in Tanmay's column, 2,49,250. And in bank account, to Tanmay's capital account, 2,49,250. In Harsh's case, adjusted capital is 8,38,000, whereas the balance carried down should be 5,88,750. So balancing figure is coming on debit side to bank account in column of Harsh 2,49,250. And in bank account on credit side 1,420 by Harsh capital account 2,49,250. Nishant is to bring proportionate capital. That means Nishant has to bring 3,92,500. So credit side in capitals by bank account, Nishant's column 3,92,500, and second effect in bank account to Nishant's capital account 3,92,500. Now let's write total in capitals on both sides. 10,41,250, 8,78,000 and 3,92,500. And after that we will write by balance brought down on credit side 981,250, 588,750 and 392,500. These balances of capital will be shown in balance sheet now. Tanmay 981,250, Harsh 588,750 and Nishant 392,500. Total is 19,62,500. Now we will close bank account. Total on debit side is 9,45,750. Subtract 2,49,250 from it and we get by balance carried down 6,96,500. Same will be written as balance brought down on debit side in the end. And this amount will be shown in assets. Cash at bank 6,96,500. Now let us total the balance sheet. Both sides total is coming 19,62,500. Clear? This completes our chapter of admission of partner. Now you will be completing all remaining questions of this chapter in homework.